All right, now this should be one of the last things I do on this snowblower for something that really needs fixing, and this is the key mechanism for the snowblower. Now I'll keep the background audio going for this so you can hear what the problem is. Essentially, the key does nothing. It doesn't cause the snowblower to stop, and it's not required to start it. Now, I did go on a little process of discovery here. If the key mechanism isn't grounded to the snowblower, it shouldn't turn it off. So just by pushing it in and out while I'm holding it and having it dangling, it shouldn't operate anything. So the only way right now for me to turn this thing off is to use the throttle. So the throttle also has a bit of an electrical disconnect on it. So when you push it all the way down, it'll ground out the system and you'll no longer get spark at the spark plug. So you can see I can do this with just a piece of metal. In this case it's a probe, but you could use a screwdriver as well. So I can ground it out and cause it to stop, but I can't do that with the key. And I'm assuming it's because of the quantity of rust. Now this metal cover is absolutely essential for this key to work properly, because this is how it gets grounded out against the engine of the snowblower. So any rust or poor connection with screws on the cover will interrupt the key's ability to connect to ground. So I'm going to first clean all of these connections because they're also completely rusted up, and I'm just using electrical parts cleaner, and then I'm going to use a Dremel tool with a wire brush on it. Like I said, just use the Dremel tool. I'm going to clean everything up. You can just use a normal brush as well. I just find it goes faster with the Dremel tool, and it's good for getting in those little crevices where a larger brush might not be able to reach. So I'm going to also use that Dremel tool on the sheet metal covering. And my opinion on this is that it's probably most important to get all of the connection points on this sheet metal covering cleared up and free of rust, because that's where that connection to ground is going to come from. And you can see now if I touch the snowblower, it will start to turn it off, but if I put the key in, it doesn't turn it off anymore. So now that little switch mechanism is working. If I take the key out, it'll cause the engine of the snowblower to start to bog down. So I went to Home Depot and got these 1032 machine screws, and did a much better job of connecting the cover to the machine. Previously it had like wood screws and stuff holding this cover on, but now it's good to go. So you can see if I remove the key, it'll bog it out. I could jam the key back in and it'll bring it back to life. So key works perfectly. Like I said, it's mainly an issue with rust and the ability of the key mechanism to cause a short circuit, preventing the spark plug from functioning once the key is removed from the key mechanism. Anyway, hope this helps somebody. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.